Hello everybody, welcome back to another JQ on the Go video, and Happy New Year's. We are in 2025 and we're back, baby. Oh, my bing bong boom boom, and then my little and my squeak for my valves, squeak squeak. But we are starting out 2025 with 33,374 miles. So for this video overall, I just kind of wanted to talk about some of the goals for the channel, some of the goals that I've set for myself this year, and give you some updates on the Mustang, because I really haven't given you any updates since that initial video that I made when I got the car back in August of 2023. So as you can see here, that's the mileage we're looking at, and coming outside of the car, she's still looking pretty good. We got this nice Georgia sun here. It shines up pretty well. We do have some new rock chips in the front, but we do have that paint protection film on the front bumper here, which is good. Overall though, one of the bigger things I want to do for the car is I want to have the PPF redone and a new ceramic coating. I do have some kind of hard water spots. I keep on kind of debating if I want to try to do it or if I want to bring it to another shop, because I did have a shop initially do it, but that's kind of a little bit of a cosmetic and nothing crazy. Overall, like mechanically, this car has been pretty sound. I know I do have to have the car brought into Ford for the warranty work, as there's a power steering kind of code warning that came up for all of the S550 Mustangs that they did recently. So that I have to bring the car in for. But besides that, she's been pretty bulletproof. I did kind of talk about this once before, kind of the clunking in the transmission that I get periodically. I did bring the car into Ford for that probably about 6 months ago, and what they said was that it was normal MC82 bangs and clunks for the transmission, and they just told me to drive it and enjoy the car. So that's kind of what we're doing, and that's kind of more or less what I'm hoping to put forth for 2025. I mean, with everything, it's not always going to be sunshine and roses, and there are going to be some different things and some different challenges, but you know, you got to take it with a grain of salt, hope for the best, and just keep on moving along. So if you are ready to see some of the new content that I have out, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. As of filming this video on January 1st, 2025, I actually already have 3 videos that are ready to go up. I have one on the smart car, because I ended up having to sell that. That's a little bit of a story. I have one in my stepdad's E400 Mercedes-Benz convertible. Got to drive that around Fort Lauderdale, so a little bit of a cool vibe there. And the third one, I'm gonna save it as a little bit of a treat, but a lot of different videos are coming, a lot of different car content, vlog content, JQ content is coming your way. So as always, please make sure to have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Yeah, baby! Hey. Okay. Ooh.
And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end.